Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great and your preparations are coming along even better. तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं आपके एक बहुत फेवरेट बी स्कूल के बारे में विच इज एसपी जैन एंड देयर इज अ न्यूज अबाउट एसपी जैन रिसेंटली जो ईएमबीए है उसमें ऑनलाइन एनरोलमेंट्स में काफी इंक्रीज ऑब्जर्व किया गया है. So SP Jain School sees 50% growth in enrollments for its executive MBA offering, which is such a big thing because अभी already सब कुछ इतना खराब चल रहा है. MBA की डिमांड कम होती देखी जा रही है according to some studies, some observations, and students are not very sure कि ऐसे टाइम पे should they invest in something like an MBA. At this time, observing a 50% growth in enrollments in EMBA is a big news, guys. तो इसके बारे में हम और डिस्कस करते हैं. So, even as the worldwide EMBA enrollments fell owing to the COVID-19 crisis, SP Jain School of Global Management reported 50% growth in student numbers for its executive MBA program, delivered using a proprietary engaged learning online technology, and the institute attributes the significant spike in student numbers to the success of this technology. तो जब देखा जा रहा है कि ओवरऑल वर्ल्ड वाइड ईएमबीए के एनरोलमेंट्स काफी गिर गए हैं, इस टाइम पे एसपी जैन स्कूल ऑफ ग्लोबल मैनेजमेंट में 50% ग्रोथ हुआ है स्टूडेंट नंबर्स में जिन्होंने अप्लाई किया है एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए के लिए, जो कि एक टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू डिलीवर होता है विच इज एंगेज्ड लर्निंग ऑनलाइन. And the institute believes that it is because of this technology that there has been a significant spike in the number of students who have registered for this. So what else is there about this? इसमें डिटेल में जो हमें दिया हुआ है, we'll go through it. For its June 2020 online cohort, the executive MBA witnessed a growth in numbers from multiple Indian cities as well as from different international destinations such as Australia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, and the US, giving students access to a global multicultural network. तो जून 2020 के कोहॉर्ट में बहुत सारे जगहों से registrations आए हैं, including multiple Indian cities and international locations like Australia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and US. Students have on an average 13 plus years of work experience and represent a range of industries such as automobile, banking and finance, engineering, hospitality, IT and government sectors. So as we all know, ये जो EMBA है वो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए है, एज इन पीपल हु हैव सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. एंड इसमें जो एवरेज एक्सपीरियंस रहा है वो 13 प्लस इयर्स ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. In response to the evolving needs of the modern organization, the executive MBA curriculum has been updated to incorporate a number of technology courses into its business curriculum. The advanced course structure is a blend of core course subject electives, simulations, and projects, and students can specialize in areas such as marketing, finance, operations, entrepreneurship, and general management. The Executive MBA is an 18-month part-time program delivered using ELO, जिसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था, a sophisticated online learning system that replicates a live classroom down to its last detail, thanks to a number of high-end features, says Nitish Jain, President, SP Jain School of Global Management. So guys, we know that SP Jain is a school, is a college which is very sought after. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग इसको join करने के लिए aim करते हैं, not just for the regular MBA but also for its executive MBA. तो regular MBA तो SP Jain का outstanding है ही for people like you, people like me, and everybody who does not have a lot of work experience. But for people who have a lot of work experience and who want to progress in their careers and they want to carve a different path for themselves, an MBA plays a very vital role. And for those people, this EMBA by SP Jain Global is amazing और एक बहुत अच्छी opportunity है. And this just shows that ऐसे crisis के time पे भी, if SP Jain is able to get so many numbers in terms of registrations, this college is really going to go places even further than it is right now. तो ये बहुत interesting news है एक. The ELO studio is set up with a robotic tracking camera. ये बहुत ज़्यादा detail में I don't know if we should go or not, but it's just that this technology replicates a live classroom. और इसमें जो टीचर्स होते हैं हर एक बंदे से आई कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. They get a 360 degree view of everything and it just feels like a real classroom. This is a part-time MBA course and because of this technology, the kind of feel it gives of a real classroom, this everyone thinks is one of the major reasons why it's doing so well. The increase in online enrollments is noteworthy, said Jain. Unlike Zoom, Google Meet, or other popular video conferencing softwares, that were mostly designed for office use. The emphasis within ELO is upon student engagement. Over 350 executive MBA students have experienced this technology since June 2020, and the experience has been fantastic. We are collecting feedback and tweaking our technology to ensure that it is at the forefront of online education. So now at this point, when everything is going virtual, a technology like this that makes SPJN stand apart from all the other colleges, all the other institutes, is what is the need of the hour. In addition to the online version, SPJN delivers an on-site executive MBA in Mumbai, Singapore and Dubai. These two have performed very well. तो ऑनलाइन वर्जन के अलावा एसपी जैन जो अपना एग्जीक्यूटिव एमबीए है वो मुंबई में, सिंगापुर और दुबई में फिजिकल क्लासरूम्स में भी कंडक्ट करता है, एंड दीज आर आल्सो परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल. So overall, SP Jain is doing wonderfully, not just in India, but on a global level. And this only shows the credibility of the institute. So guys, all of you who think SP Jain में apply करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, या कितने chances हैं हमारे, take that chance. Start building your profile right now, because SP Jain is in love with profiles, and we know that it has two criteria. एक होता है जो आप रेगुलर उससे अप्लाई करते हैं, दूसरा होता है प्रोफाइल बेस्ड एडमिशंस. एंड if your profile is strong, then definitely you should apply to SP Jain. And all those who are working, who have some sort of work experience, you all can also apply to the EMBA course. And I hope this was informative to you, and we'll keep coming back with different kinds of news. kabhi placements ke bare mein, kabhi different things that are happening in the country, politically, in the field of education, in the field of MBA, whatever we think is important to you guys, important for you guys to know, we bring that news to you. So keep following us. Thank you for hearing us so consistently. And if you don't want to miss out on anything, subscribe to Cat King and press the bell icon. And we'll see you soon, very soon again with another interesting news. And मैं तो आपसे हर दिन मिलती हूँ, हर दिन interact करती हूँ. Please write in the comments below if there's anything else that you want us to cover, or share your views with us. We'd love to know what you think about anything that we are covering. So guys, until then, all you have to do is stay updated, stay motivated, keep working hard, make the right choices, and all the very best from my side.